right, so we're going to do a quick tour of our room. Right off the entrance, you've got a full bathroom with a tub and shower. Here is what the bathroom looks like. All right, and then as you come in further, you've got a front kind of lounge area, got a sofa, got a desk if you want to get some work done, television, and then 2 queen-size beds. And then in this particular hotel, at least here at the front, this is the front door entrance right here. There's where you walk in. You've got some spectacular views of the mountain. This is looking up Big Cottonwood Canyon. Right there. Right around here's kind of where you'd make your way up to Brighton and Solitude. So, they do a great little lovely breakfast downstairs in the kind of the lobby kitchen restaurant, and then right there is also where the fence is, where the swimming pool and the hot tub are. Alright, so here are some images of the swimming pool. I didn't get any images of the hot tub because there were quite a few people in the hot tub. But the really cool thing about this swimming pool, even though this was January, it was freezing cold, we waited till nighttime so that it was even colder because we knew that the swimming pool was a heated swimming pool. So not only was the hot tub nice and warm, but same with the swimming pool. You could see the steam coming off the water. We really enjoyed ourselves at this particular hotel. Had a great time swimming, had a great time hanging out, relaxing in the hot tub, had a great time in the hotel room. It was very comfortable, had a nice meal, basically a nice breakfast, I should say, before we headed out, before we checked out for the day. And I would say that this definitely is a place that we would stay at again. So if you're ever in the Cottonwood Heights, Big Cottonwood Canyon area, looking to go skiing or whatever, definitely consider checking out the Hyatt as a place to stay.